I want to go ahead and show you what the big surprise. It took me a few extra days than what I thought, but it's a really awesome update. Let's get into it. So what you're looking at is the new TrafficGen Network blog. So everybody's going to be able to use the blogging feature for free. So even free members will be able to use the blog. And so it's going to live on TrafficGen Network /blog, your username. And let me just kind of show you the blog, show you some of the features of the blog on the front end, and then I'll also show you on the back end because there's a lot going on. Every blog is going to have this header. We're getting a new video created, so this will be a new video for the opt-in, but when you click on this watch the free training button, this opt-in form will pop up. Then we have blogging, be creating a auto webinar here in the next month or so. And so this will go to the auto webinar. And then this is going to the make money category. And this is going to the recommended resources category on the blog. So you have all of these categories here that you can post blogs to. Then at the top, as you can see, this income journal. So basically what the income journal is, there's an area now inside the blog interface where you can come and log your commissions. And so this can kind of bring people along their journey. So I've logged some of my recent commissions in here. I don't think I'm going to go back months and months and months, but I'll just mostly do this month commissions that I've earned from the system. But it'll log it here. Then it has a call to action that takes them back to the blog it'll bring them back here to sign up or watch the free training. And so that's that. So now let's get into the blog post. So there's a few different types of blog posts on here. We have a YouTube to blog where you can put in a YouTube video, and as long as the YouTube video has closed captions on it, AI will read and analyze the transcript and then write the blog post as if you just watched the video and you're given a breakdown of whatever it was that they were talking about or teaching in the video. So let me show you one of those blog posts first. Here's one that I did. So pulled in the video, Alex Hormozi. Then I recently spent some serious time watching Alex Hormozi's Ultimate Sales Guide, a 4-hour masterclass on sales. It's packed with insights, and I'm excited to share my key takeaways on how to sell effectively by focusing on logic and genuinely helping your prospects. So this is how the blog posts look. And so all of these posts I know a lot of people are familiar with SEO, but these posts are the answer engine optimization, where if you go on Google, Google will have AI respond to you, telling you like how to do something or where to go. And so everything that we write is optimized for the answer engine. So when Google goes to search on how to do something, it's answering questions that people are asking on the search engine when it writes the post. Then every post, like every regular post, type like this one and it'll have this call to action at the bottom. Then it also creates these frequently asked questions. Then you have your about the author, then your social media links here, and then you have the comments. So something cool about the comments, let me actually log out. So I'm gonna log out. And so something cool about the comments is when somebody leaves a comment, you see the subscribe to updates and tips from Calvin Harvey II. When they comment, if they leave this check, it'll subscribe them to your email list on the system, and they'll start receiving autoresponder messages from you. And so then this one, just if they click that one, it'll remember their info for the next time that they come. So we have our popular posts. Here's another call to action to get them to watch the free training. We got one up here in the header bar. And then you'll see more posts that they might like, latest posts, and then another call to action here. And then we have these, I'm sure you've been seeing these social media icons. So these are linked to your social media profiles that you save in the system. And then what you have to do and the blog settings, you'll go and save how many followers you have on each of these social media platforms. And then for email, it automatically adds your how many subscribers you have on the system to this thing, and then adds them all up. So this is how many followers I have across social media right now. Then we have our terms of service already built in, privacy policy, and then our affiliate disclosure. So it's important to have for the FTC, it's important to let people know that you may make some money from them clicking on something for whatever purpose. So that's why I have that here in the blog. So let's jump into one of the other kinds of posts. Let's first jump into an income proof post. So I have two different income proof type posts on here. So one, this post in particular that we're looking at right here, the AI wrote this post. And so it breaks it all down, writes a good description. Then at the end, we have that call to action again. So let me show you the other type that doesn't use it. It's just a template. So this is the template. So check out my income results from this day, blah, 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 blah. And then this is how it shows up. So it'll write this quick post like that. And so the AI stuff does take credits. Anything with AI takes credits. I did my best to make the cost as cheap as possible, because I'm not trying to, we're not trying to get rich off of selling credits. And so, yeah, I tried to make the cost as close to cost as possible, meaning how much it cost me, as close as I could, to make sure that we wouldn't lose money from people using credits. But the AI does cost credits to use. So that's the second type of income proof post. And so next we have product reviews. So product reviews is directly right now tied to Amazon. And so all you'll do, and I'll show you this, we'll actually do one while we're on this video, but all you do is paste in an Amazon product link from Amazon, and then it will pull in the feature images. It will write the blog post. It'll write a review post on that particular product. And then, like I said, we have the Amazon integration. So anywhere where there's an affiliate link for Amazon will show your affiliate link, so you can make some Amazon affiliates money. But let me show you this here. So first you can click on the images, scroll through them, and then even down here we have this buy on Amazon button. So if somebody was to click on this, I'd make a commission from them buying this controller here. So then we go down and you see these orange highlights. So it automatically highlights keywords on your blog that have something to do with the product. So this is going to my Amazon affiliate link. This is going to my Amazon affiliate link. Everywhere we see the orange highlighted words, those are Amazon affiliate links. Then we have the call to action here, same thing. Boom, check price on Amazon, and it'll take them to the post. And then we have the frequently asked questions again here. What else? All right, so let me log in, and I will show you the blog interface. So all right, so here's the blog interface. So the AI blog post generator, it will, and I forgot to change, I'm gonna change the name, but the blogging system is called Abby. It stands for Artificial Blog Intelligence. And so here in Abby, you can do from topics, so you can type in whatever topic you want. If you wanted to blog about a specific income stream, this will also show. I don't have a custom stream in here right now, but for you that have a custom stream set up, it'll also show your custom stream. And then now added the ability, because I have knowledge bases like on the back end for all of these opportunities that we have here. So the AI has the information about the opportunities to be able to write post or whatever on them. And so there's also now an integration for you to add a knowledge base about your custom opportunity. So anyway, so you can select from one of the streams. You select the category, you can select the writing tone, you can select the image style that it's going to generate for you. Here you could tell it to focus on a particular set of keywords or whatever, and then here down, so you can choose whether you want it to generate a feature image for you or not. And here you can describe exactly what you want it to, like the picture that you want it to make. Then you'll click on generate. So that's that. So then we have from YouTube. So from YouTube, you can just copy in a YouTube video. Let's actually do one now. And I'll show you what's going on that. Let's find one. Let's see. That one got 35K views. I like to look for viral videos. They'll be, let's take this one. So we're gonna take this video. Let me make sure it has closed captions. Yeah, it does. So we'll take this video, paste it in. I'm gonna include viewer comments. So it'll embed the YouTube video on the post. It'll pull in the comments. So when it's writing the post, it includes things that people were saying on the blog post about the video, and then it also will import a random number of comments and post them on your blog so that it looks like people are engaging on your blog. Then you could put the keyword, feature image, etc. So let's go ahead and we'll click on generate. This probably takes like a minute or so. I'm gonna pause and come back once it's finished. All right, so it's generated the post. So we can scroll down here. We can save it as draft or publish now. I'm gonna go ahead and click on publish now. So we'll publish it to the blog. And so now let's go to the blog. I'll refresh here. And I might have to look for it because something that it does, it posts it on your blog on the date that the video was made. And the reason why I did that is because we're importing comments from the video. And so I wanted to make sure that it seemed relevant. And you'll see what I mean. All right, so boom. So there's the video and here's what it wrote. And it writes it from the standpoint of, I just watched this video. So then here's the comments. And these comments are relevant to the video. And you see it says 21 days ago. So it imports the comments and posts them on your blog at the same time that the person commented on YouTube. So that's that. So that's the YouTube to blog. And so it will analyze this whole video and then write a post like this, key takeaways, what you learned from this Facebook masterclass. So that's what it does. So now let's go back. And so we have the series. So next you have the series. So you can have it if you wanted to write a blog post on a particular opportunity. You could tell it what you wanted to write, select the category, and then select how many posts that you wanted to write. So then professional, you can also connect this to WordPress. For me personally, I'm going to solely be using the TrafficGen blog. So I would just go schedule to drafts and then So now I got 10 posts. How often do I want it to post? Every day, every 2 days, weekly, or whatever. And this content will automatically go out to your blog every single day. So next we have the income proof post, which I already showed you, but this is the log. So here's where you would go. So say if you made money today, you would leave it today, then you click on add stream, you select the stream, and then you put in how much you made. So I'm gonna put $6 here just so you can see. You'll click on log earnings and then it shows up in the log down here. I'm gonna delete that, but it keeps track of what you're earning. You come in here and you put it, and then that's what populates this here on the front end of your blog. And then here you create a post. You can use AI to generate the content from the post, or if you uncheck this, it'll just use the template. Then you can select the day and then it'll generate the income proof post for that particular day. So next we have our Amazon affiliate thing. So let's go. I actually want to find, I'm doing reviews on products that I have recently purchased. Let's just do this one. And so what you need to copy in the URL is everything before the question mark. So we'll take that, bring it back here, and then click on fetch. So finds the product. You can say what type of tone you want it to have, a detailed review, a quick summary. If you want to include frequently asked questions, then if there's specific keywords you want it to concentrate on, you can do that here. Then we'll just click on generate review. All right, so now we have that review. We can go back and where did my review go? Oh, did I post it? Hold on. Oh, I forgot. I gotta go to publish now. All right, so I'll go to publish now. Then we should have it here. Yep, there it is. Boom. Has my Amazon link in it. It writes it as if I'm writing the review, and it's answering questions that people would ask on Google. Then boom, we have our check price on Amazon. All right, so that's the Amazon review. I will say that probably here in the next couple months or so, I do plan on adding like other affiliate networks like JVZoo and ClickBank and all of that to this as well. But we just started off with Amazon. So then you have this is where all of your posts live. You can edit them, delete them, whatever. Like I'm going to delete this one here, but click into them. You can see all of the content. You can edit anything that you want to edit. You can even use AI to help you write. So that's what I'm going to show you here on the next part. So you can click on new post. And so you don't have to just use the AI to write posts. So if you want to write a post yourself, if you're good at blogging or whatever, you can come in here and write your own posts. But then you can also have AI assist you with your writing. So it has You can have it proofreaded for grammar and spelling, to keep writing more, to write a fresh perspective, to shorten it, to expand on it, or to improve it. And then you can also have AI generate the feature image for you. Then you put in your data, WordPress is not configured, and then here's the settings where you can schedule it for later, publish now, select the category, etc. Then you have your calendar. So when you schedule out content, you'll be able to come to this calendar and move things around. So maybe you scheduled a bunch of stuff today, but then didn't realize that you weren't going to have anything for Friday. And so you can come here and move something to that particular day and rearrange it. Then you have your comment moderation. So any pending comments, so any visitors that are not part of TrafficGen Network, when they come to your blog and they comment, it'll put their comment into a pending moderation, and you'll have to come and approve their comments. And then here you have all of your comments, and you can delete them or do whatever you want to do. Then next, in settings, you can upload your own logo. So it'll replace the TrafficGen Network logo. If you don't upload a logo, by default, it'll show the TrafficGen Network logo. You can give it a title, blog tagline. You can use a custom accent color. So let me show you that. Save settings. And now we come to the blog and everything is changed to that red. So if you go to the home page, everything changes to the accent color. So if you have your own custom logo or whatever you want to use, you can make the site match your vibe or whatever. So I'm gonna go back, do that. So then you can add categories. So these categories that are here by default. You can't delete them, but you can hide them. So if you don't want them to show up, just click on hide category and they won't show up on the blog. But you can select the color, then put in a category name and do whatever you want to do. And then here's the navigation menu. By default, it'll come set up like this. But if you want to rearrange your navigation menu some other way, you can do that too. Then here you have your sidebar sections, which is these here, the popular posts. And then the about the author, you can write your about the author here. And then you can put how many, I want 5. You can put how many related posts that it'll show, how many latest posts, and how many popular posts. And then here's where you enter in your Facebook followers and your Twitter followers and all of that here. So it'll show up on the blog in this thing here. Here's where you save your Amazon affiliate. Then here you have the link to your blog and then the RSS feed for people who know about that. I'm not going to go in depth into that, but that's the blog. So also something new, let me actually go. And so there's a bunch of updates that I've done this week. So let's go to settings and I'm gonna save. Oh, actually, let's do it like this. So we'll go to another user. All right. So new, the blog will show up here. We have the Facebook group funnel, so you can find the funnel here. I'm gonna open it up so you can see it. But they opt in, this cookies them to your link. And so what I'm doing with this, when they opt in, this cookie, so I'll just do a test lead and we'll go, I'll just use this email. Click on continue to Facebook. Then they'll see this. And then it will redirect them to the group. And so then what I'm doing in the group with all of these, when a new member comes, I welcome them. And then for somebody who hasn't joined the system yet, I'm sending them to the free video page without an affiliate link. So because they're already cookied to you, when they come back to this page to join, they will automatically sign up with you because they have your cookie. And so we can pile this Facebook group up with as many people as possible and you'll get credit from them. So that's the Facebook group funnel. So have that there. You can copy this goes to your capture page link. You can copy it here or open the group. So we added blog performance here, so you can see all of your published posts, your total views, etc. Then we have email analytics, that's new. And then we also have the blog map here as well. Something else. Oh, here on my team. So also on the my team page, when they come to my team, it's going to show whatever. So to your people that you referred, is going to show your opportunity here. And so they can click on the video and watch the video. And then click on join now. That'll take them to your link. If they click on replace with this, it'll open up so they can save their affiliate link to the same program, and then it will replace it as the custom opportunity for that particular person. And it'll copy whatever video you have, whatever description that you put, it'll copy that video and description and everything into that person's account. What else? I think that's it. There's a lot of background stuff that's going on, but these are the major updates for you guys. So everybody can use the blog for free. You can blog manually, so you don't necessarily have to use it. And so free members, paid members, everybody gets access to Abby, which is again artificial blog intelligence. And so yeah guys, that's it. Just wanted to give you this update. I hope you guys are super excited. Like, you guys don't understand what this means. Like, this blog is crazy. People are going to make so much money from affiliate stuff, because now if you're not good at writing content, Abby will write it for you. And so yeah, it's Calvin, guys. All right, peace.